In today's ever-evolving world of home decor, upcycled rustic style has emerged as more than just a creative trend. It's a powerful lifestyle movement that celebrates renewal, sustainability, and the beauty of craftsmanship. The charm of small handcrafted decor projects made from reclaimed or repurposed wood lies not only in their visual warmth and natural textures, but also in the deep sense of purpose they embody. These creations, born from materials once considered waste, hold stories within their grains and imperfections, stories of transformation, resilience, and artistic rebirth. In a time when mass production dominates the market and trends change at lightning speed, the allure of upcycled rustic design offers something refreshingly human, a slower, more meaningful approach to living and creating. It connects makers and buyers alike to the essence of authenticity, the idea that real beauty is found not in perfection, but in the character, history, and intention behind every crafted piece. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today, we will show you a collection of upcycled rustic style, small handcrafted wooden decor projects ideas for profitable rustic decor, and that sell fast. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Upcycled rustic decor projects stand at the intersection of aesthetics and ethics, proving that sustainability and profitability can thrive together. Modern consumers, increasingly aware of environmental impact and conscious consumption, are drawn to pieces that carry meaning. A handcrafted wooden candle holder made from old barn beams, or a shelf shaped from discarded furniture, does more than decorate a space. It tells a story of renewal. These creations have emotional depth, an aura of nostalgia paired with modern functionality, and that combination is exactly what fuels demand in today's design market. What was once a niche practice embraced by eco-conscious artisans has now become a mainstream design philosophy, driving trends in interior styling, small business innovation, and sustainable entrepreneurship. Each handcrafted upcycled project serves as a reminder that waste can be reborn as art, and that the act of creation itself can be both profitable and deeply fulfilling. The rustic aesthetic resonates deeply because it captures something timeless, the beauty of nature and the human touch. While contemporary decor often leans towards sleek minimalism and high-tech materials, rustic upcycling reintroduces warmth, imperfection, and story into modern homes. It offers balance, grounding metal and glass interiors with the texture of aged wood, natural tones, and organic form. Every scratch and knot becomes part of a narrative. Every reclaimed nail or uneven edge speaks to history, craftsmanship, and care. These visual and tactile qualities cannot be replicated by factory production lines. They embody the soul of the maker. In this way, rustic upcycling isn't just a style choice. It's a cultural statement against disposable consumerism. It transforms our relationship with material goods, teaching us to value longevity, individuality, and creativity over speed and uniformity. From a business standpoint, small upcycled projects are the secret ingredient to financial success in today's decor market. Unlike mass-produced items, each piece is inherently unique, giving artisans a competitive edge. Buyers crave exclusivity. They want decor that feels personal and authentic. Upcycled rustic designs deliver exactly that, with the added bonus of sustainability as a selling point. The market for handmade, eco-conscious products continues to grow, driven by customers who seek pieces that reflect their values. Whether it's a minimalist plant stand crafted from repurposed wood, a rustic picture frame, or a small table built from pallet boards, these creations merge beauty and responsibility, commanding attention and often higher prices in both online and local marketplaces. Beyond monetary profit, there's also emotional and creative reward. Makers experience the satisfaction of seeing forgotten materials transformed into something meaningful, while consumers feel a sense of participation in a sustainable story. Moreover, this shift toward upcycled rustic design is helping to redefine what luxury means. True luxury today isn't about flawless surfaces or extravagant materials. It's about authenticity, craftsmanship, and sustainability. People are no longer satisfied with decor that's simply trendy. They want something that resonates with their identity and values. A coffee table made from reclaimed timber, for instance, can carry the spirit of history into a contemporary home. A conversation piece that unites old and new, past and present. It's in this balance of nostalgia and modernity that upcycled rustic style finds its magic. And as more creators discover the profitability and purpose within this movement, it's becoming clear that the most valuable material in design isn't new, it's reclaimed. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Beyond its financial potential, the movement also offers something deeply personal, a creative awakening. Working with reclaimed wood and salvaged materials invites a slower, more mindful approach to craftsmanship. It encourages the maker to listen to the material, to honor its imperfections, and let its natural character guide the design. Each project becomes a meditation in patience, awareness, and respect for nature's raw beauty. This mindfulness translates into the final product, infusing every item with a sense of soul that buyers can feel. In a world increasingly disconnected from the physical act of creation, upcycled rustic woodworking restores that connection. It reminds us that our hands are tools of both transformation and expression, capable of giving new life not only to materials, but to ideas, emotions, and communities. There's also a deeper social and environmental dimension to this growing movement. Every handcrafted rustic project made from reclaimed materials reduces waste, conserves natural resources, and challenges the throwaway culture that has defined modern consumerism. By turning discarded wood into desirable decor, artisans participate in a quiet revolution of sustainability, one where art and environmental responsibility go hand in hand. For the eco-conscious homeowner, purchasing such items becomes an act of contribution, a way to support green living while surrounding themselves with pieces that carry meaning and beauty. In this sense, upcycled rustic decor isn't just design, it's activism wrapped in artistry. Ultimately, the rise of upcycled rustic style speaks to something universal: the desire to create meaning from what's been lost, to restore beauty where others see decay, and to build prosperity rooted in values rather than excess. It's a philosophy that celebrates both innovation and preservation, honoring tradition while inviting progress. Each small handcrafted project, no matter how simple, becomes a symbol of resilience and creativity, a tangible representation of the human spirit's capacity to renew. For modern makers, this isn't just about following a trend, it's about shaping a legacy, one piece of reclaimed wood at a time. As this movement continues to grow, it's transforming the way we see design, entrepreneurship, and sustainability. It teaches us that elegance doesn't have to come from newness. It can emerge from transformation. It proves that the path to financial success can align beautifully with a commitment to the planet. And most of all, it shows that through creativity, care, and intention, even the smallest handcrafted decor project can spark change in homes, in markets, and in the way we understand beauty itself. In every grain of old wood reborn lies a timeless truth: renewal is the heart of creation. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked upcycled rustic style small handcrafted wooden decor projects ideas for profitable rustic decor, and that sell fast. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, Likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.